Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting because we are going to do a reasoning question today. If you check this question very carefully, there are two places where question mark is there in the diagram. That means we need to find these two values and there are four options. These kind of questions usually comes in competitive exams. That is why we have selected this question. What we need to do, we need to find out a pattern. According to the pattern, whichever option is suitable. If you think you know the answer, you can tell us, but watch this video very carefully. There are four options, but I analyzed first 35, 35, 36, 36. That means even though four options are there, but in the left side there are only two values I need to verify. It can be 35 or it can be 36. Similar way, 5445. For the right side, this question mark, there are only two possibilities, either 4 or 5. So, but finding patterns sometimes becomes challenging, right? Let us try to find out the pattern here which can be formed. Usually we try with some addition, subtraction, some kind of multiplication, right? Some kind of division. But here in this question, the pattern formed is, let me write the pattern because I don't want to waste anybody's time. Pattern should be n square minus 1. What is the pattern? N square minus 1 is there. Now, how n square minus 1 is there? Let us try to understand. I observed this 2 and this 3, which are diagonally opposite to each other. If this is 2, then 2 square minus 1, that means 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. I analyzed that, yes, it is correct. 2 square minus 1 is making 3 and it is opposite to each other. Check about this 8. 8 is what? 8 square minus 1, which is 64 minus 1, making it 63. And yes, for 8 diagonally opposite value is 63. So same is the pattern going to be used. When I analyze now here that I'm having 15 and value opposite to 15, that means in the right side here there are two possibilities, right? Either 4 or 5. So it becomes easy for me. 4 or 5 means what? I can take 4 square minus 1, 16 minus 1, which makes 15. So we are sure that this is going to be 4. So that diagonally opposite element satisfies this n square minus 1 rule which we have found. And another value is this one. Now 6 is already there, right? Which makes 6 square minus 1, that means 36 minus 1, that means 35. So this value should be 35. So which option is the correct option? B option is the correct option in this question. And if you check carefully, take the right side of this circle, 2, 4, 6 and 8. They all are the values of n according to my formula. And they are making opposite number to them with the formula n square minus 1. 2 square minus 1 gives 3, 4 square minus 1 gives 15, 6 square minus 1 gives 35 and 8 square minus 1 gives 63. So what is the challenging part? Challenging part is to identify which pattern they are following, and obviously practice is required. If you do practice, then it will be easy for you to identify the patterns. Thank you so much for watching the video.